Have you ever been that traveler? Holding up everyone behind you? Standing in the security line because something in your carry-on set off the alarm? I was. And let me tell you, nothing makes you rethink your packing choices faster than a TSA officer holding up your bag like it's evidence in a crime scene. In 2026, airport security isn't just stricter, it's smarter. And the rules around carry-ons have evolved in ways that can either make your airport experience smooth or a total nightmare. Today, I'm walking you through the 10 most important carry-on rules every traveler must know before arriving at the airport in 2026, so you never get caught off guard again. Stick around, because rule number 10 is the one travelers break the most. Rule number 1, your carry-on size matters more than ever. Picture this. You breeze through security, feeling confident, until the gate agent pulls out the dreaded metal sizing box. In 2026, airlines are strictly enforcing carry-on size limits, and many are using AI-powered scanners at boarding gates. The standard carry-on size is 22 by 14 by 9 inches, including wheels and handles. Budget airlines, even smaller. Story lesson. If your bag barely fit last year, it may not fly this year. Pro tip. Soft-sided bags give you more flexibility. Rule number 2. Liquids still follow the 3-1-1 rule. A traveler ahead of me once tried to explain why their almost empty water bottle should be allowed. It wasn't. In 2026, the 3-1-1 rule still applies. 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, or less per liquid. 1 quart-sized bag, 1 bag per traveler. Some airports now have CT scanners, meaning you may leave liquids inside your bag. But don't assume every airport has them. Pro tip. When in doubt, pack like the rule still exists everywhere. Rule number 3. Food is allowed, but with a catch. Yes, you can bring food in your carry-on. Soups, sauces, dips, and spreads, those are considered liquids. I once watched a traveler surrender an entire container of homemade salsa at security. A tragic loss. Solid foods, yes. Liquid foods, follow liquid rules. Pro tip, when in doubt, check the tsa.gov website for a list of foods allowed. Rule number 4, lithium batteries are under heavy watch. That power bank you never travel without? It could get your bag flagged. Here's the rules. Lithium batteries must be in your carry-on. No damaged or recalled batteries. Most airlines limit power banks to 100 watt-hours. Pro tip, if it heats up, charges, or lights up, it belongs in your carry-on, not checked luggage. Rule number 5, shoes and belts. It depends. Pre-check travelers walked right through. This rule was modified effective July 2025. You do not need to take off your shoes going through airport security checkpoints anymore. However, you may have to if the body scanner detects metal or you were pre-selected for manually screening. Bottom line, some travelers keep shoes on. Others must remove them. Bulky belts and metal accessories still trigger alarms. Pro tip, dress like you're going through security, not a fashion runway. Rule number 6, electronics must be easy to access. Nothing slows down security like someone digging through their bag for a laptop buried under socks. Laptops and tablets must still be removed at many airports. Some scanners allow them to stay inside, but not all. Pro tip, pack electronics in an easy access sleeve. Rule number 7, medications are allowed, but label them. True story. A traveler once missed their flight while explaining unlabeled pills in a Ziploc bag. Here's what you need to know. Prescription meds should be labeled. Liquid meds are allowed in larger quantities, but must be declared. Medical devices are permitted, but may be screened separately. Pro tip: keep meds in original containers whenever possible. Rule number 8. Duty-free liquids have special rules. Bought a giant bottle of perfume overseas? It might not survive your connecting flight. Duty-free liquids must be sealed in tamper-evident bags. Receipts must be visible. Some connections still require rescreening. Pro tip: when traveling internationally, duty-free is safest at your final airport. Rule number 9. Personal safety items are closely scrutinized. Pepper spray, small tools, self-defense items. Many travelers assume small means allowed. It doesn't. Here's the thing. Pepper spray is usually prohibited. Multi-tools with blades are banned. Self-defense keychains often get confiscated. Pro tip: when unsure, leave it at home or visit tsa.gov for more information. Rule number 10. When in doubt, declare it. This is the rule travelers break the most. They hope security won't notice, but modern scanners notice everything. If you're unsure about an item, declare it. Ask before screening. Remove it voluntarily. Pro tip: declaring it saves time and embarrassment. As always, there is a free printable carry-on checklist on my website. Click on the link in the description below so you can travel smarter. Airports in 2026 are faster, smarter, and far less forgiving. But here's the good news. When you know the rules, the airport becomes just another step toward your next bucket list adventure. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to Bucket List Travelers Tips, and drop a comment with the strangest thing you've ever seen confiscated at security. Because travel should be exciting, not stressful. Safe travels, and I'll see you at the gate.